Oh, you got a black one. That's dope.
Oh yeah.
Oh, good to see you, buddy. Nice. Yep.
I think that'll do it.
There you go. Blended watermelon juice, vodka. All right, missing the mint leaves, but that's strong. Vodka, you say? There's watermelon in here?
You know what I forgot? I need some bubbly in there. That's what I need.
Oh,
Don't be filming me! I didn't consent!
Why are you building it up against that wall?
Just to be closer to us.
Oh, okay.
Since you staked the canopy 12 feet away.
It's all up against the wall, dude.
Well, let's push it out then! I'm okay with that.
We have to get on this side to feel the warmth.
No, we'll be right here. We're gonna be sitting underneath this.
Okay, alright. Whatever you say. Oh.
You have your ketchup and your mustard right here.
Oh yeah.
Will you bring the plate over?
Oh.
Whoa. You like mac salad?
Hell yeah.
We got some bacon potato salad.
Yes. Brioche. Oh, hell yeah. Not bad, Luke. Alright. This place is so beautiful.
It is. It is.
Catch me a fish. It's cool, but yeah.
Come on, son. Where are you, bro? There we go. Starting to break through. Oh, yes. There we go. Well. I'm scared, kid. Feels good.
Wake you up?
Yeah, woke me up. Do it. Fuck me! Oh dear God, it's like ice water! Oh, that feels terrible! Holy shit, that feels horrible! Alright, now I'm okay now. Woo! Woo!
Tell us about this new look.
I'm just trying to dry my hair out.
Oh, look at that.
Alright, you just want one for now? What was that? What was that? Monster.
Yep. Ooh, all right.
Holy shit. Oh my God.
Huh?
So fucking good.
Good morning, folks. It's a breezy start to day 3. And originally we had planned to pack it up and go home today, but it's a beautiful sunny day. There's not a cloud in the sky, and it's supposed to hit 80 degrees today, so Luke and I decided to stay another night. And we've already got the blessings from our wives, so thanks Amy, thanks Zan. So yeah, another beautiful day in Tahoe National Forest. Cheers.
Dude, catch a fish, we can throw it into the kitchen sink later.
I'm planning on it, dude. I'm planning on it.
Spam, fish, burgers, sausages. I told Zan that that's what we were gonna do, and she's like, "That sounds absolutely disgusting." I was like, "No, it's gonna be hella good. I'm excited."
It's gonna be so good, dude. Cheers. Day 3. Or the kitchen sink. What is your plan?
My plan is to put as much protein as possible.
20 grams of protein right here.
That's right.
There we go.
What do you think we could add to this that would make it even more delicious, Tim?
To make our arteries more clogged?
Yeah. Do you think that we could... That's simple.
Yes!
Oh yeah. Go ahead. This one too.
Well, you know what? Thank goodness we had some extra food for our unplanned extra
Our
night.
unplanned extra night, and here we are having that kitchen sink.
Kitchen sink meal. God damn. That looks amazing.
Yeah.
That's...
Oh, the rice is done. It worked. Hello. That is beautiful rice. English breakfast.
Dude. The kitchen sink.
The kitchen sink.
Whoa.
Oh, dude. There's so much food.
Boom.
This is fucking delicious.
Oh man. Wow.
One hour later.